In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tasks in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to combine duplicates or closely related items into a single, clean task without losing context. First, head over to ClickUp and open the workspace and location where your tasks live. You can do this from list view, board view, or any view that shows tasks in a row or card format. If you have multiple spaces or folders, make sure you're in the right one so you don't accidentally merge the wrong items. This process is especially helpful when teammates create similar tasks or when a task gets split and then needs to be consolidated. Next, locate the task you want to keep as your main task. Think of this as the primary task that will ultimately hold all the information. Hover over that task line and look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the ellipsis. Click it to open the Actions menu. This menu controls a lot of powerful features, so take a second to confirm you're on the correct task before moving forward. A quick tip: choose the task with the most complete title or the one already linked in docs or dashboards, since that reduces cleanup later. From the Actions menu, select Merge. If you don't immediately see the option, it may be tucked under a More or Advanced section, or you may need the proper permissions. Also, make sure there is at least one other task available to merge with, since the option only shows when merging is possible. Clicking Merge opens a prompt that guides you through the rest. Now choose the task you want to merge into your primary task. Use the search field to find it by name or ID, and double-check details like due dates or assignees, so you select the exact duplicate or related task. When you confirm, ClickUp combines them and keeps one as the main task. The other is folded into it, and you'll see their details consolidated in one place. Because merging is a significant change, take a moment to review the resulting task. Scan the description, comments, attachments, and subtasks to make sure the important pieces carried over as expected. If needed, refine the title, adjust the status or due date, and clarify assignees so the task reflects your current plan. That's it. Your tasks are merged, your list is cleaner, and your team has a single source of truth. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in ClickUp.